Hey guys, what's going on? Coach Roy here, and today we got an upper body workout for you, and it's going to consist of 5 exercises with 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. Now before we get started, make sure to share and like this video because as you all know, sharing is caring. And also subscribe to this channel so that way I can give you weekly updates on the workouts as well as motivation, tips, and tricks that'll take your fitness level up to a higher level. So before we get started on that, make sure that you have 2 pieces of equipment, okay? First off is a canvas bag that has some weight in it, all right, just like this one. And then second, a duffel bag that has some really good weight because of the workout that we'll be doing today. So without further ado, let's go.
Win the day, putting in the work while I made a day. I don't wanna, but I do it anyway. Got the blood, sweat, and tears, I don't wanna wait. I've been crushing on my feet.
guys, that concludes our workout of today. Now, I have a special guest here that's gonna actually help me conclude this video, my daughter, Adia, and she's actually smiling, getting a little agitated. But the types of weights I use today during my workout are 5 pounds for the black canvas bag and 25 pounds for my duffel bag. Now, for you guys to figure out what weight works for you, make sure to go home tonight and use a scale that you have at home. And that scale at home is gonna really help determine what weights will be necessary for the workout that you'll be doing in the near future. So, guys, this is Coach Roy signing off, telling you train hard, live easy, peace out.